Welcome to TechLeap channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to descending word on Microsoft Word. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word. After that, open up any document. Now here you can find some word, that means some name. So if you want to descending these words, just select here all the words and then click on home tab. After that, on the paragraph option you can find short, just click here. After that, from here you have to select paragraphs, and here you can see type. On the type you have to select text and then select descending and then click on OK, and that's it. You can see the words has been descending successfully. You can see W and then L, then J, then D, and at last A. Also, if you want to ascending these words, just select it again and then go to same settings and then select ascending, then click on OK, and that's it. And that is how you can descending words on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.